Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add transitions in Vyond. First things first, we have to pick the project that we want to work on, obviously, and then log in into our Vyond account. If you want to create a transition, like in this video, which is a free video from Vyond, I'm gonna show you how it's done. So first of all, we have to exit preview, sorry. First of all, we have to pick the slide that we want to put the transition in. Once we are in here, we have to deselect anything. So if you selected this text, we have to click somewhere where it's not selected. And then aim in the top right corner, and there is a scene transition. We're gonna click there. And at the moment we have the transition of which is unpack, but we remove it. So if there's no transition, you will have this none one. We're gonna click on the none, and here we can pick from tons of transitions. For example, bed transmission, and we can see how it's gonna look, bright square wave, circular review. And let's use this. If you want it, just click there. And you see video is auto-saved, our circular review is present. We can also change the direction in seconds, and then we can preview the whole thing. So this is how it goes. Boop. Nice. And we exit the preview. And if you want to delete it, like remove the transition, and you can pick a new one, like iris, for example. Iris left, and you will see iris center. It's always nice to click on the preview button so you exactly know what you're getting. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.